You might think to use this product if you've hit a plateau in your weight loss journey or just need a little extra boost alongside your diet and exercise routine. Lean is a supplement designed to support exactly that. It's not a magic pill, and thankfully the brand doesn't pretend it is. Instead, Lean aims to help you stay on track by curbing your appetite, increasing your resting metabolic rate, and promoting fat-burning processes in your body. Basically, it's made to help your hard work show real results a bit faster. One thing that stands out in a good way is the level of transparency. Lean clearly lists who should take it, why to take it, how to take it, and, importantly, what it's made of. You'll find ingredients like chromium, Caralluma fimbriata, meritrim, inoslim, caffeine, EGCG, advantrazine, forskolin, and fucoxanthin, all openly listed with no shady, proprietary blend labels. That's a solid green flag. The product has great reviews both on their official site and on third-party platforms like Trustpilot. Most users seem happy with their purchase and results. Their active presence on social media also shows they're not hiding from public opinion, but not everyone is thrilled. Some customers report issues like difficulty reaching customer service, trouble canceling subscriptions, and not being able to apply promised discounts. Others were frustrated that warning labels about prescription drug interactions weren't clearly visible before purchasing. And of course, some just didn't see the results they hoped for. So is Lean legit? Overall, yes. It seems to be a well-formulated product from a reputable company. But that doesn't mean it'll work the same for everyone. If you're considering it, definitely check with your doctor first, especially if you're on any medications. It's a good product. But like all supplements, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution.